बिफोर द फॉर्मल वोट ऑफ थैंक्स एक छोटी सी स्टोरी शेयर करना चाहूंगी आप सबके साथ. इट इज अबाउट लिटिल थिंग्स दैट मेक अ डिफरेंस. There was a man taking a morning walk at the beach. He saw that along with the morning tide come hundreds of starfish, and when the tide receded, they were left behind. And with the morning sun rays, they would die. The tide was fresh and starfish were alive. The man took a few steps, picked one, and threw it into the water. He did that repeatedly. Right behind him, there was another man who could not understand what this man was doing. He caught up with him and asked, "What are you doing? There are hundreds of starfish. How many can you help? What difference does it make?" The man did not reply, took two more steps, picked up another one, threw it into the water, and said, "It makes a difference to this one." What difference are we making, big or small? It does not matter. If everyone makes a small difference, we will end up with a big difference, won't we? So my humble request to you all, start reading 5 pages in a day apart from your curriculum based reading material. Make it a habit, and with each passing day it will be a part of your daily routine. This small step will surely make a big difference in your lives. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. God bless you all. May I now request Dr. Sutapa Saryal, our teacher in charge library committee, to propose a formal vote of thanks. And there is a link for all the students in the chat box. Please fill this form for your e-certificate. Thank you. Over to Dr. Sutapa, please.
Thank you, Deepti. Thank you for this wonderful induction program. I really want to congratulate the library department for taking the initiative, and I hope the students will make the best use out of it. I take this opportunity as a member of the library committee. I take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude to our principal sir, respected principal sir, for his all-round support in all our endeavor. Your motivation and encouragement is helping the library to offer the best to the college and to everyone. The librarian, Mrs. Deepti Madan, has indeed given an insightful presentation of our college library. For the offline services, from offline to online services, through our library web page, her presentation has covered each and every aspect of the library. I am thankful to all the faculty members for their support and being a part of this event. Big appreciation for the library staff for always putting up their efforts in making their every event successful and rendering services up to the mark. I have praise for all the students who have joined themselves, who have connected themselves for this library induction program. I wish them the very best in the academics and career. Thank you.